Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna, and a very big hello to everyone listening today. It is wonderful to be here with you.
It is wonderful. And David, you look very happy today.
I do feel happy. I think it's because we're talking about a fun topic today. Holidays. Just makes me smile.
Same here. Holidays are one of my favorite things to talk about. And everyone loves holidays, right? Even if we stay at home.
Yes, exactly. So today, we're going to learn how to talk about holidays in English. Very simple, very natural, like real friends talking.
That's right. We'll talk slowly, clearly, and naturally. And we'll share real stories, feelings, and little jokes too.
And don't worry if you're a beginner. You don't need big or difficult words. Simple English is perfect.
Perfect. So, David, before we go into the topic, how is your day today?
My day is pretty good. I woke up a little late. I had coffee first. Very important. Then I checked my phone, answered some messages, and here we are.
Coffee first, always. My day is good too. It's calm, not too busy, and talking about holidays makes it even better.
Yes, holidays give us good feelings, relaxed feelings, happy feelings.
Exactly. So let's start very simply. Talking about holidays, the basics. Anna, when we talk about holidays, one very common question is, do you like holidays?
Yes, very easy question and a very easy answer.
For example, you can say, I love holidays, or I really like holidays, or even, yes, I do, I enjoy them.
Or if you don't like them very much, you can say, they're okay. That's a very natural answer in English.
Yes. So, David, let me ask you, do you like holidays?
Yes, I love holidays, especially long holidays.
Same. I love long holidays too. They give you time to rest and think and breathe.
Yes, and sleep.
And sleep. Talking about past holidays. Another very common thing we do is talk about past holidays, holidays we already had.
Yes, for example, people often ask, where did you go on your last holiday?
That's a great question, very common, very useful.
And the answer can be simple. You don't need many details.
For example, I went to the beach, or I stayed at home, or I visited my family.
Exactly. So, Anna, let me ask you, where did you go on your last holiday?
My last holiday, I actually stayed at home.
Oh, really?
Yes, I didn't travel. I just relaxed at home. I watched movies, I cooked simple food, and I slept a lot.
That sounds amazing.
It really was. Sometimes staying at home is the best holiday.
I agree. People think holidays must be expensive or far away, but that's not true.
Exactly. So how about you, David? Where did you go on your last holiday?
I went to a small town near the mountains. It was quiet. No big hotels, no crowds.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. I walked a lot, I took photos, and I drank way too much coffee. That sounds like your kind of holiday.
Yes. Talking about holiday activities. When we talk about holidays, we often talk about what we did.
Yes. People ask, what did you do on your holiday?
Very simple question. And again, simple answers are perfect.
For example, I swam, I relaxed, I visited friends, I ate a lot.
I ate a lot is very common. Very honest, too.
Very.
So, David, what did you do on your holiday?
I walked in nature, I read a book, and I tried local food.
Tried. Did you like it?
Most of it, yes. One dish was a little strange. I didn't finish it.
That happens. Food is always part of the holiday story.
Always.
Another important part of talking about holidays is feelings.
Yes. How did the holiday make you feel?
You can say, I felt relaxed. I felt happy. I felt tired but happy.
Or I was excited. Or I was a little bored. That's okay too.
Yes, not every holiday is perfect.
Exactly. So, Anna, how did you feel on your last holiday?
I felt calm, very calm. I didn't rush, I didn't check the time, I just enjoyed each day.
That's a great feeling.
It really is. How about you?
I felt free, like my mind was clear, no work, no stress.
Holidays are good for the heart.
And for the brain.
Talking about future holidays. Now let's talk about future holidays. Holidays we want to take.
Yes, people often ask, do you have any holiday plans?
Or where do you want to go on your next holiday?
Very common questions.
And again, simple answers are great. I want to travel. I want to stay home. I don't know yet.
I don't know yet is a very real answer. Yes. So, David, do you have any holiday plans?
Not clear plans, but I want to visit the ocean.
Oh, nice.
I want to hear the waves, walk on the sand, and do nothing.
Doing nothing is a great plan.
Yes. What about you, Anna? I want to visit my family. We live far apart, so holidays are special times for us.
That's very nice. Family holidays are very meaningful.
Yes, they're not always perfect, but they're important.
Small talk about holidays.
Holidays are great for small talk, too.
Yes, at work, at school, with friends, even with strangers.
You can say things like, "Did you have a nice holiday?" or "How was your holiday?"
And you can answer, it was great. It was nice. It was too short. That's very popular.
Always too short. A personal holiday story. David, do you remember a holiday that was very special for you?
Yes, one holiday stands out.
Tell us.
It was a few years ago. I was very tired from work. I didn't want a big trip, so I went to a small lake.
Just you?
Yes, just me.
I stayed in a tiny cabin. No TV, no internet.
Wow.
At first, it felt strange. I was bored. I checked my phone again and again.
I know that feeling.
But after one day, I felt peaceful. I listened to birds. I watched the water.
That sounds beautiful.
It was. That holiday taught me something.
What did it teach you?
That rest is important and silence is okay.
That's a great lesson.
David's holiday memory. How about you, David? Any holiday you remember clearly?
Yes, when I was a child.
Oh, childhood holidays are special.
Very special. My family didn't travel far, but every summer we went camping.
Camping?
Yes, we slept in tents, we cooked outside, and we told stories at night.
That sounds fun.
It was. I remember the smell of the fire, the sound of insects, and laughing with my family.
That's a beautiful memory.
Holidays don't need to be big. They just need to be real.
Talking about holiday problems. Sometimes holidays are not perfect.
True, and it's okay to talk about that too.
You can say, the weather was bad, the hotel was noisy, I got sick.
Yes, these are normal experiences.
David, have you ever had a bad holiday moment?
Yes, once my flight was delayed for 10 hours.
10 hours?
Yes, I was tired, hungry, and not very happy.
I can imagine.
But now it's a funny story. Time changes everything.
That's true. Bad moments often become good stories. Simple vocabulary for holidays. Let's quickly share some simple holiday words.
Good idea.
Holiday, vacation, trip. travel.
Relax, rest, explore, enjoy.
Beach, mountain, city, home.
And feelings, happy, relaxed, tired, excited.
Keep it simple. That's the key.
Ending reflection. So today we talked about how to talk about holidays in English.
Past holidays, future holidays, feelings, stories.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
You just need honest English.
Speak slowly, use simple words.
And share your feelings. That's what makes conversation real.
Holidays are about connection.
And talking about them connects us too.
Thank you for listening today.
Yes, thank you so much.